Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Manta kasngi umentri rangba kajala u CONRAD K Sàngma ulalit bo maunong rim. Nagabenta pantay kamadan artificial turf Ri-bhoi district kata kasnong duba. Hagati ka jingbo maunong rim layas ran lang ya uda umentri ubadi pet ya kamle kai uba Shakliar Warjri MLA jong kanongpo ba chairman ka Meghalaya State Health uba Meral Bonds im. Bat kumba khatlai pon phra klur tingka lamang tingka banshna ya kate kamadan. Haba ay jingkren hakate ka meeting umentri rangba ulaong ba parlok pinsakmen haba pio sngo bakatanat badekmi iki kamle kai kala stat bha haba ya nujor ba kiwei par kisnem shu ulaong bakansa shimpor khat prabnai ban pendep ya kate kamadan.
And also the working of the sports department and all the officials. The sports department is performing and working like never before. And in the history of our state, the maximum number of projects and the works are going on in these times than compared to the last 45 years of our statehood. Friends, you'll be happy to know that we have projects worth 700 crores right now going on in the sports department. Another 200 crores is being sanctioned as we speak. And another additional 200 crores will be sanctioned in the coming years. Hence, in the 10 years of the MDA government, there will be over 1,000 crores worth of investment being made in the sports sector. And this does not include the large stadium, the biggest stadium that will come up in Maukanu, which is amounting to 385 crores, which will be in the new Shillong Township area. And hence you can see the kind of effort that the sports minister and the sports department has been putting and this government has been putting for sports. And this particular foundation stone laying ceremony is just one of the examples of that commitment that we have towards the young generation and the youth of our state. Just yesterday, I had laid the foundation stone worth about 10 crores, almost 11 crores in Siju yesterday, which is in South Garo Hills. And this is again another beauty of what we are trying to do. If Meghalaya has to develop, it cannot just be Shillong and Tura and Jawai centric. If true development has to come to our state, then every village has to move forward. Every citizen has to be helped and allowed to move forward in their economic livelihood. Every constituency and every district has to develop. It is only when we are able to give holistic development will true development come to our state. And again, it's not just in words, but in our actions also that we are showing it. These kind of artificial turfs will come out in more than 20 constituencies and different rural areas of our state. Natural turf stadiums will come out. Indoor stadiums are coming out. We will be having track and field stadiums that will be coming out. And I take this opportunity to inform all of you on how this government works. Our Honorable MLA had just mentioned about the stadium and the track and field to be put up in Chinchana area in Pahamsien. And I'm happy to inform him and happy to inform the citizens of Nongpo and Ri-bhoi area that we already are planning this, and in the next couple of weeks to maximum a month, 13.88 crores is going to be sanctioned to put up a track and field stadium in Ri-bhoi district. And this is being done for you, so that all of you are able to practice and perform and use this infrastructure so that you can start shining. You can start earning and getting more medals for your district, for our state maybe one day, and maybe even for our country. But this can only happen if we are able to provide that opportunity to you. And this is my commitment and the commitment of this government, that we will continue to invest in sports and in sports infrastructure. You'll be happy to know that in the coming year's financial budget, we are budgeting almost 2,800 crores plus only for the youth of our state. This includes infrastructure, education, entrepreneurship is in the pipeline. In the second phase of the MITP, that is the Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project, this particular project is included in that list. And we will ensure that we are able to start this at the earliest. There are procedures to be followed, and hence those procedures are sometimes time consuming, but I will make sure that we put in full efforts to ensure that this road is tendered out, sanctioned at the earliest, tendered out, and the work also starts on this at the earliest. I'm also happy to inform you that the 132 kV grid connectivity, where you will be having a grid set up out here in Nongpo, has already been sanctioned. And the amount is up to 75 crores has been sanctioned for this. And once this particular grid connectivity comes up, it will stabilize the overall power even more in Nongpo and the surrounding areas. And therefore, all these areas are being looked into, and I assure you that this government will continue to ensure that we are able to take the overall development further and improve the overall services and infrastructure in the district of Ri-bhoi. Friends, I also would like to share with you that apart from these different development issues that are there, from the point of view of district selection, which was mentioned by the Honorable MLA, that now we have already come out with the official order from the Personnel Department that the district selection committees can go ahead with their recruitment without taking necessary approval from the Personnel Department. The Deputy Commissioner has enough powers to go ahead and call for the interviews only in the situation where there is any confusion, where they need to take some kind of clarification from the Personnel Department. Otherwise, they are now the competent authority to go ahead and call for interviews, and hence this particular process has also been streamlined. And I expect that we should not have any more issues in the future when it comes to the district selection issue that we are facing. Ri-bhoi district hibaro kawai hagaba menta kasngi ensayo ban bu ban pli ya udeu mau nongrim na kabenta ban sina ya ka synthetic artificial football to hangni kamadan muda ka bangidon menta hangni. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the government led by Shri CONRAD K Sàngma, the Chief Minister of the government of Meghalaya, also the Honorable Minister Shri Shakliar Warjri, for their dedication to look for the benefit of the people of Ri-bhoi district. We understand the constraint within the government, but But we are happy that today we witness this beautiful day, a memorable day, where a foundation stone will be laid, so that the football lover, they will have a proper avenue to play, to practice. And we have seen the talent, the hidden talent that is there within the district. If we talk about the sports person, which include the footballer or the athletes or the players of different activities, we cannot deny the fact that Ri-bhoi district has produced joy and laurel to the district and the state as a whole. And it just concluded Meghalaya Games 2024 held in Tura, where both the boys and the girls team, they secure gold, winner. This is a proud moment, and I felt that it is a special gift to the football team, boys and girls, who represent Ri-bhoi district, who won gold in just concluded Meghalaya Games in Tura, as a special gift today by the government by sanctioning the synthetic artificial football turf here. Nrigi kam kisaki, kijing penmang pisa kidon, kikam kiyad, penjin berada ke sorkar kamdan kijing penmang pisa nam tak kentiu yang kisamla, nyinum yok sanction yang kini kemadan kebagian mentah, bat kiwi ru kiban sawan, apa jong Ri-bhoi district, bat kejelah baru ruwe. Jenamar kata, baragi pai susu hagi tenat ki baper. Haga bede bat gelinti ki sengkin di road sector. Kadon gejing penmang kaba omdunai ka ar hajar sispa. Lai buklur. Ban pendit penbiang ye ki surok gelinti ki sengkin. Ha kine ki haga ne kesenam arja arpusan. Lengba jong ne ke budget gejing penmang pisa jong ke sorkar. Bat ka bakam surok tenat susu. Kalum, haga bede pat kawai na kijing kiba ka sornong po lan kisinong kiba paramarjan gi jukedu na kapor se kapor. Haga bede bat kijing dulat kare. Haga bede bat kijing sniu jogi transformer. Haga jing ide bagi nong song jina nangbun mla aban penbiang lai. Isau kemen baga sorkar lembaga power department isa dalede insanam sibit. Ya gawin na kijing penmang kiba hetam hapo ka power sector. Ya gani ka kabagitip kum ka 122 grid station. Ya kaba isa sepan panasibit ngampua aban ong ya kataran dari kiladon halinti. Bat kurcatet ban address ki kijing baro ngidon kam ya ka electricity ya ka light ka energy. Hagi office sorkar hagi longging kilong sem haying hasem kijing don kam kibubun ban address kini yi ke sorkar ka paipan na ka mentai kijing mentoy kijing don kam jong tik paitma
to construct the stadium here in Umbuda. On second phase 1 crore 50 lakh through the dedication of Dr. Ditalapang, former Chief Minister, to start in a good football ground. But sorry to apprise to you, sir, the amount of 1 crore 75 lakh, it disappeared after starting the work to be started here. We don't know where that amount has gone. We got only the stones and the mud already collected here. So we hope, sir, this time with your dynamic leader, with your broad-minded to serve the people of Meghalaya, and particular in Nongpo Town, Ri-bhoi district, we hope this project to be laid the foundation stone, it will work as soon as possible and to serve the people of the district in particular and the state in general. So, sir, I would like to appraise few words regarding the project here in Umbuda. It comes from the SDP, Integrated Housing for Urban Poor, yet to complete, for the people of Nongpo Town to give a PPL house for them. So we hope this project also will go on.
Kanong idap da kajing kemen na kajing ski ya kabang iyo banginwan ban ya don ringkat ban saki ya kabang play ni mau nong rem nganye tho yupi bahagini ki sistem nado bangila form ni kan ke sarkar bahagini ki sistem ki babon ki bangila le na kamta kajing phaj pai pa ke jela ke jini mas ngau dap ka kajing kemen ya kabang nganye tho yupi Banado kasni kabang la senti kumu menteri wadi ban pek ya katana ke sport. Ya meli badan buram jongpi nak kapor sakapor. Ya kabang amla nyosu hadu kanusin bailawan banong siang ba so bahase ai toi ke stadium yangi hapo nongpo nama pangila don kampala. Tang sisin ngamla nyo kanusin su ilawan mi badi bala kerpan ya kabangin ai ke stadium. Adap da kajing kemen ya kaban nganong lingba kajing kitkle lingba kajing tristom kajong i milala pangin penurlong ta kasni ngai kubli kerpang i ya kajing tristom kajong i ban ngadang kitbob ya kaban nang ni sakman innang kamla susu mentre na kamta kajing tha song ka konstitusi kajong i bat kajelahi paro kuwe ni kum ka sarkar ni ya sakman ka kabai dei ya kabang ikwa bangin ai ya kijing don kam na kam ta kun samla kiba ye ya ka sports kan ke jela ka ni ya shahmat ban ai kiba bon teli ki stadium balai bangile kumne balai bangi tri sitom pendai bahagini sistem dunai ka sipo na kadwai teli ki stadium milala bangin ai balai kata ka jingang not ke jungi ya kabang ai ki stadium nomor bangi don ya kata ka jingang not ya kabang ikwa bangin i Bakini ki kena school, kini ki have kibaret, kini ki kun samla sendang bateng thai, baling ba kani ka stadium ka bangi ai, ling ba kini ki jingdon kam, ya ka bangi ai ki bahagoi ke sni ni si i pati ki bakin long sisa kita ki floor ya la ka ki banten paunam ni ke jela ka juni. Ni don ni ka jingen, baling ba kata ka jinga ai ka juni, agoi ke sni ni si i sisa bakin long kita ki floor. Iban wan ra ya ka nam bat buram. Ang tang nang kita kasnong hindi na kumta kasalahi paro ko.
Maunong rin na kumta ka na artificial football top ang niya umuda. Nakumjuro ya piki media kibala yawan ha kana kasni football ground. Kani kalong ka ka bangimla kim dapat pa ko jing songo ya kana sarkar ya chief minister ya sport minister but ya local MLA ko jongi kibana kanong po iba Meralbon kibala penurulong ya kani ka jing coach new jongi kum kinong kitkam jong RBDSA kani ka jing angnut ka balagi post nam ka balalay hindi dang menta ka urlong bat kani ka jing yo jong kani ka umbuda ya kani ka football artificial top kalong ka jing mentoy na kun samla jong kani ka dong bat kumbaw chief minister mane ulapin mena mangin sayo ru ya ka synthetic track kaban long ka nagbenta ki jing ilaka ki babunjay hangte hapo chinchana hapamsim kataro long ka way na ki jing krisyan lane ka jing ay ka jong kani ka sarkar ya ka dong ka jongi kani hangne ka ni ka dor kumalaong kan poy kumba hapo ka karway krur kani ka chinchana ya ka bansale ya kani ka synthetic track kan poy kum khalai krur ya ka ba onsa bu ya mau nong rem hapo kani ka shibna ai kumalaong de kini ki ba kani ka sarkar kala le langbau chief minister ni kum ka Ri-bhoi District Sport Association ngipen pa ko songo. Te haka juga perlu ni kerpat ya kani ka sarkar langba jong piki media ba langba kani ka jingkren jong ni menta ba nginang don sibun ki bangidon kam. Ya kini wakum kini ki development hapo jong ka district ka jongi. Kamtam ka jingi de ba sport. Kum ka te ka madan kurkalang. Kabangila ka RBDSA kala bat ia ketika jakak nak benta ke life husnam ni community ba ke sarkar kan phai khmat cha ketika madan ru bat kumjuru ia ka madan sning ke badan ha ka snong jong ka patarim katuru ketika madan ka bangi jupenun kam kum ka RBDSA nang ta ka madan ka badan ha dihar ka bade ka wei lagi madan ke bangi jupenun kam haman laki lik ki jongi hapok ini ke life husnam bagi dang bun ki madan ki ba ki bangidang don hak lenti ki bangidang kuak bakan ke sarkar kan le ai nak benta kajing mentoy jong ki kun samla jong ne kedong ti hakan ke sini niwan kenang niwan ayo sentiu niwan ayo ki mofler ki dag jailandia kum kadak kajing songu ya chief minister badi ka tim ka jongu bad hak juga perlu ni pen pau kajing sokumen bakane kajing yo jong ko buda kadi kajing yo jong ni kum kadi bhai district beroi kala don ru kajing snow ba ya kari bhoi gay banai te kumba ulaong mantagasmi ini kijing la jong ki kun samla man mi syakmat ha kijing la kai ha kane kame galia games kala kalen beri wahdo kata bat kane kau dikalong ka kalat yang ni menginang yo su ya kini ki jingerap kam tam ha kijing dei berkimadan babaha apo jong district kata te kadika kam jong hi balada don kano kijing thut ha ka ba pniai lane ha ka ba trei ya kane ka jing trei Tengi nak RBDS ingin nam song thai ngin wat hi ya kilak kilenti kumno ba kane ka jing trei kan ya stat dei tang ya kane ka club hindrei mangi kum ka RBDS eru ngin ya wat lat walanti ngin trei chitom ba kane ka urlong kham kloi kum ba chief minister la kular hapo khat prabna
telada kan kijing trei kaya sakmat lada don kinong puntur se kindan ba kijing wa dong ni hang tai mo kumna buntip kuno phile phi kum kinong pi kasnjuk jong kari boy
ia kata ha ka jing trikam ha ka jing pentre ya gino kiskim ki bahe kandan be kino ki ya jing penwet tenre ka kam jungi kalong ba ngin kentu ngin yarap ban ong ya ki lane ban kerpat ya ki ba kim de ki ban penwet na ka benta ka jing roy jong ka jing kino ki jing roy ki bawan hapo jong district